Nice to see you again. Welcome back to another Spanish class here at Edutin Academy. Continuing with our Spanish journey, today we are going to learn definite and indefinite articles in Spanish. Pay close attention and take some notes today. But before we continue, let's listen to these words and based on what we have learned so far, what gender are these nouns? El casco, el barco, un control. What gender are these nouns? Feminine, masculine. That's correct. They are masculine. Now, let's dive into today's lesson. In Spanish, we have two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite articles refer to specific or noun nouns, while indefinite articles refer to non-specific or unknown nouns. Let's start with definite articles. In English, we use the as the definite articles. In Spanish, the definite articles are el for masculine, la for feminine, los for plural masculine, and las for plural feminine. Here are some examples to illustrate the use of definite articles. El perro, la casa, los libros. Now, let's move on to indefinite articles. In English, we use a or an as indefinite articles. In Spanish, the indefinite articles are un for singular masculine, una for singular feminine, unos for plural masculine, unas for plural feminine. Here are some examples of indefinite articles. Un perro, una casa, unos libros, unas flores. To wind up, in today's class, we explore definite and indefinite articles in Spanish. Definite articles, el, la, los, las, indicate specific nouns, while indefinite articles, un, una, unos, unas, refer to non-specific nouns. Now, before you go, let's practice some more of the comments. What definite or indefinite pronouns would correspond to these following nouns? Perro, pintura, edificios, canción, colores. Remember to share your thoughts and insights on the comments. Engage in discussions with your fellow learners to practice your Spanish. Nos vemos en la siguiente clase. Hasta luego.
¿Te ha gustado este video? Te invito a continuar tu aprendizaje ingresando a edutin.com, donde encontrarás más de 6,000 cursos gratis y con certificado. Además, podrás interactuar con personas de todo el mundo. Ingresa ahora o descarga nuestra aplicación móvil.